I have harsh truths about people that will make you stronger. One of the biggest mistakes people make is expecting everyone to think, they care, and act the way they do. But the truth is, understanding human nature can save you from a lot of disappointment. Truth 1. Most people think about themselves first. Explain that people are usually focused on their own problems, goals, and emotions rather than judging others as much as we imagine. Truth 2. Not everyone will appreciate your kindness. Discuss how some people mistake kindness for weakness and why kindness should come with healthy boundaries. Truth 3. People often reveal their true character during difficult times. Explain how stress, conflict, and challenges expose who people really are beneath their social masks. Truth 4. You cannot change someone who doesn't want to change. Describe why trying to fix, save, or convince people often leads to frustration and emotional exhaustion. Truth 5. Some people only value you when you stop being available. Explain how absence can reveal who genuinely cares and who only enjoyed the benefits you provided. Encourage viewers to stop seeking validation from everyone and instead focus on self-respect, personal growth, and emotional independence. The moment you stop expecting everyone to understand your value is the moment you become truly free. So, the better you understand human nature, the less power disappointment has over you. True strength comes from accepting reality, protecting your peace, and investing your energy where it is genuinely appreciated.